Thank you, Joe. In light of the CDC's recent changes in guidance regarding COVID-19 safety measures, the Board of Health and the State College Borough Council called an emergency meeting today.
Our Alyssa Royster, she sat in on that meeting as leaders reviewed and voted on the local COVID-19 ordinance. And she joins us now live. Alyssa, we last reported that the borough was choosing to stand by their mandate despite the updated recommendations by the CDC. Are they now rethinking this decision?
Matt and Maggie, that's correct. According to the borough, sticking by their mandate has only caused confusion in the community.
Since May 12th, starting on Thursday last week, staff and council began to get numerous phone calls and emails about the latest Department of Health guidance and the inconsistency between the state CDC and the local borough ordinance.
Which is why they called an emergency meeting to decide if changes should be made to the ordinance or if it should be repealed altogether.
It's a nightmare for enforcement.
Community members' opinions are split.
My primary concern is not knowing vaccine status and the fact that we haven't reached herd immunity yet. And I would suggest that we continue doing what we're doing.
I, for one, am not going out to any businesses with a mask on because I have to breathe. I have asthma. I have my card. I carry my card with me. I even wear the t-shirt that says, relax, I'm vaccinated. What more do people want? I want to live my life again.
One resident proposed relaxing the ordinance for masking, at least for businesses like gyms.
But then on the other hand, how would you track if people have been vaccinated or not?
The manager at F45 says he wouldn't necessarily want to have to do that.
If we had to stay open, I would, just because I would do whatever we had to do to kind of move into the next step. But it's a responsibility that I don't want to have.
Ultimately, the borough took a 3-1 vote to follow the state and CDC's guidelines.
We're not in a surge in this pandemic. And if basically we trust the CDC and they're saying it's safe, then I think, I'm okay with that.
The borough also voted to no longer require a mask when standing in line, regardless of vaccination status. They also decided to increase gathering size for residential and parks from 25 and 50 to 100. Another emergency meeting will be held on Friday at 11 a.m. to reopen the ordinance. In State College, Alyssa Royster, WTAJ News.